Hello people, how you guys doing? My name is Gus. Today we are going to write animals in Korean. First one is dog. We say 개 or 강아지. 강아지 is a puppy, but we sometimes call just adult dog or bigger dog 강아지. 개. Let's write 개 together. 개. Next one is 고양이. 고양이. cat. 고양이. 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 Next one is 물고기. 물 is water. 고기 means also, it could be meat too. But if you add 물, then it becomes fish. 물고기. And we also say 생선 as food. 생선 or 물고기. 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 Next one is 사자. 사자, lion. 사자. 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 호랑이, tiger. 호랑이. 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 코끼리, elephant. 코끼리, 코 means nose. 코끼리. 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 bird. 새. bird. 새. Last one is snake. Pam. Snake. Pam. Pam. Right? Let's write from the first word to the last word. 개. 고, 양, 이, 물, 고, 기, 사, 차, 호, 랑, 이, 고, 기, 리, 새. Last one, Pam. Okay, today we wrote names of animals in Korean, names of animals in Korean. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you want the practice sheet, Google it, Korean practice sheet, Korean handwriting practice sheet. So you're gonna see a lot of practice sheets. Then print it out and practice like I did. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.